Hello children, welcome back to the science class. Previous session we have completed unit 6 human organ systems. 4 systems we have completed: skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system and respiratory system. In this session we are going to see about circulatory system, nerve system, endocrine system and excretory system. Let's see the lesson. Circulatory system. The circulatory system is responsible for transporting materials throughout the entire body. It transports nutrients, water and oxygen to a billion of body cells and carries away waste such as carbon dioxide that body cells produce. It is an amazing highway that travels through your entire body, connecting all your body cells. The circulatory system is one of the important systems consisting of heart, blood vessels and blood. It transports respiratory gases, nutrients, hormones and waste materials within the body. It protects the body from harmful pathogens and also regulates the body temperature. Heart is located in the thoracic cavity between the two lungs. The heart is four-chambered and is surrounded by a double-layered membrane called pericardium. The heart pumps blood continuously throughout our lifetime. Blood vessels. 3 types of blood vessels are present in the body. They are arteries, veins and capillaries. They form a closed network through which the blood is circulated. Next one, blood. Blood is a fluid, connective tissues of red color containing plasma and blood cells. There are 3 types of blood cells, namely red blood cell RBC, white blood cells WBC and blood plates. RBCs are produced in the bone marrow. Circulatory system. In circulatory system, these parts are included in circulatory system: superior vena cava, pulmonary artery, aorta, heart, pulmonary vein. Pulmonary artery carries blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. Pulmonary vein carries blood from the lungs to the left atrium. Heart pumps blood to the body. And capillaries are very narrow tubes not shown in this diagram. They connect the ends of all arteries to vein. They deliver and pick up gases, nutrients and waste products. Next are arteries. Shown in red, they carry blood from the heart to all parts of the body. All arteries carry oxygenated red blood. Veins, shown blood, they carry blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. All veins carry blood that is depleted of oxygen and therefore flushes in color. Veins are bluish in color. Nerve system. The nerve system is very important in helping to maintain the homeostasis of human body. A series of sensory receptors to work with the nerve system to provide information about changes in both the internal and external environments. The human nerve system is a complex of interconnected systems in which larger systems are composed of smaller subsystems, each of which have specific structure with specific function. Nerve system is well developed in human and is composed to neurons or nerve cells. This system includes brain, spinal cord, sensory organs, and nerves. The two important functions of the nerve system, along with the endocrine system, are conducting and coordination. In nerve system, these parts are included in nerve system: brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. Brain is the part of the central nerve system that regulates and controls activities throughout the body, the site of consequences and memory. Spinal cord is a bundle of nerves extending from the brain stem through the backbone, conducts signals to and from the brain. Cerebral nerves, intercostal nerves, radial nerves, and femoral nerve. So cerebral nerves are the network of nerves and ganglion that carry signals to and from the central nerve system. Next, brain and spinal cord. The brain is a complex organ which is placed inside the cranium. It is protected by a three-layered tissues covering called meninges. Brain has three regions, namely forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. It is the controlling center of the body. Brain is the controlling center of the body. The parts of the brain are cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Next, spinal cord. It is the extension of medulla oblongata of the hindbrain and is enclosed within the vertebral column. Spinal cord connects the brain to different parts of the body through nerves. The functions of the nerve system. Nerve system has three functions: collection of sensory input, integration, motor output. Collection of sensory input identify changes occurring inside and outside the body by using sensory receptors. These changes are called stimuli. Next, integration processes, analyzes, and interprets these changes and makes decisions. And motor output, it then affects a response by activating muscles or glands via motor output. So sensory input, the conduction of signals from sensory receptors. Next, integration, the interpretation of the sensory signals and the formulation of responses. Motor output, the conduction of signals from the brain and spinal cord to effectors such as muscle and gland cells. Sense organs. Sense organs are like the windows to the outside world. There are 5 sense organs in our body, such as eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. They make us aware of our surroundings. We are able to see, hear, smell, taste, and feel only through sense organs. So we have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Eyes. Eyes help us to see things around us. That is, their color, shape, size, whether they are near or far, moving or at rest. The eyelids and eyelashes keep the eyes safe. The eye has 3 main parts, namely cornea, iris and pupil. These are the parts of the eyes: iris, lens, pupil, cornea and retina. Ears. Ears help to hear and differentiate sounds around us. The ears also help us in maintaining the balance of the body when we are walking, running or clumping. The ear has 3 major parts: the outer ear, the middle ear and the inner ear. The outer ear in human beings is made up of an external flap called pinna. The parts of the ears are outer ear, pinna, eardrum, middle ear and inner ear. Skin. Skin is the largest sense organ as it covers the whole body. The skin helps to feel the things around us by touching, that is, whether they are hot or cold, smooth or rough, dry or wet, hard or soft. Skin covers the body and protects it from germs. It also keeps the body moist and regulates the body temperature. Functions of the skin. Skin forms an effective barrier against infection by microbes and pathogens. Skin helps us to synthesize vitamin D using sunlight. Take care of your sense organs. Always you should take care of your sense organs. Some points given here. Don't read in very bright or very dim light and also in moving vehicle. Avoid exposing eyes to screens of television, computer, laptop and cell phone for a long time. Don't rub your eyes harshly. Wash your eyes gently with clean water 2 or 3 times a day. Ears should be protected from hard blows. One should never try to prick ears with toothpicks or hairpins, which are dangerous practices because it may puncture the eardrum and cause ear infection. One should bath at least once a day to keep skin clean and fresh. So every day you should follow and take care of your sense organs. Endocrine system. Endocrine system regulates various functions of the body and maintains the internal environment. Endocrine glands are present in the body, produce chemical substances called hormones. Endocrine systems are hypothalamus, pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid and parathyroid glands, thymus, pancreas, ovary, adrenal glands, testicle in male. Glands names and location. Pituitary gland, pineal gland, thyroid gland, thymus gland, pancreas and adrenal gland and gonads. So locations are pituitary gland at the base of the brain, pineal gland at the base of the brain, thyroid gland neck, thymus gland chest, pancreas abdomen, adrenal gland above the kidney and gonads pelvic cavity. These are the glands and location. Excretory system. The excretory system is a system that removes waste and dangerous materials. It is also responsible for eliminating waste products, liquids, gases, and toxins that should not be in the body. The nitrogenous wastes are removed from the body by the excretory system. It is composed of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Kidneys. These are bean-shaped structures present in the abdominal cavity. The functional units of the kidney are called nephrons, which filter the blood and form the urine. The parts of the kidneys are blood with waste, red color, and blue color is blood without waste, and ureter, medulla, cortex. These are the parts of the kidneys. The unit of the kidney are called nephrons. The parts of the excretory systems are renal artery, renal vein, ureter, kidneys, urinary bladder, urethra. Renal artery brings blood containing oxygen and urea from the aorta to the kidneys. Kidneys, just inside the back ribs, regulate the chemical composition of fluids in the body. Renal vein brings filtered blood from the kidneys to the inferior vena cava. Urinary bladder, an expandable muscular sac that retains urine until it is discharged from the body. Next, ureter carries urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Last, urethra, the tube through which urine is discharged from the body. It is surrounded by muscles that allow us to control urination. Thank you, children. We have completed human organ system lessons. We will see the next session. Thank you.